Hello there.
Hey, people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one business using my lead gen secrets, Daylight 37, I think. Anyway, let's keep it moving here. Now, first off, let me talk about the reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one business personally. For one, the product is very good. It's very useful, and for online business type deals, you're gonna want it no matter what. Even if you don't promote the $25 all-in-one business, you're gonna need the product. And I think it's the best product out right now for it, the funnel builder, and so on and so forth like that. I believe the most popular funnel builder right now is ClickFunnels. I remember using it back in the day, and it's $91 per month, and it got all the kind of limitations towards it. One that really bothered me was how many people can see your funnel before it just disconnects. And it really bothers me, especially with something like My Lead Gen Secret, because when you promote My Lead Gen Secrets, a lot of people are gonna see your page like a ton, and you're gonna get hundreds and thousands of clicks. That's just how My Lead Gen Secrets works, because you got a ton. You sending these emails to a ton of people, right? But other than that, also I always like the affiliate marketing program, so to speak, which is recurring commissions of 80%, which is just higher than anything I've ever seen in my life. Now, I mean, especially when it comes to recurring commissions. Now, you might be able to find something that gives you somewhere close to 80% initial conversion. I haven't really. The highs I've seen is like 50%, maybe somewhere around there. When it comes to funnel builders, like 40 or 50%. I think the highs I've seen is actually 40% now I think about it. And then what happens is, for recurring commission, it go down like 25, 15%, something like that. So 80% all the way through is just immaculate. You know what I mean? Recurring commission. That means you can build your income. It's kind of like an investment. You know what I mean? A very solid investment. Think about an investment that returns you, once you get two people in the system, profit. Straight up profit. That's insane, right? Now, as you see here, this is what I made. I checked and see. This is what I made in the last month, guys. 440 with you guys, with My Lead Gen. Just posting this on YouTube and My Lead Gen Secrets, guys. $440 in a month. How many of you can use the extra $440 a month? And it's slowly still building. You gotta realize something. I'm not really doing much. Now, if I was doing a ton of stuff to try to promote this product, I'd probably be making a whole lot more. This is like the easiest of the easy, guys. I haven't found no easier way to make money online. So anyway, let's go ahead and refresh this so I can see if I got a sale yesterday. It looks like I did, but I want to make sure. Okay, I did get a sale. Oh, I got 2 sales yesterday. Okay, that's cool, man. Got 2 sales yesterday. All right,
Nice.
That's pretty cool, right, guys? That's pretty cool. And listen, anybody can do this. You see how easy I do this. I made videos every single day showing you guys. This is what I do every day. The end. Like, I make a YouTube video promoting this on one of my accounts on My Lead Gen Secrets. That's it, guys. That's it. And I'm getting these type of profits. I'm just saying, this is working. And I'm trying to get you guys to see that. You know what I mean? Anyway, let's keep it moving here. We're gonna go to My Lead Gen Secrets here. I'm gonna click on that. We're gonna click on all the leads here we got. Making money my first week. I said this would work, and it did. I got sales with this one. We're gonna go to the next one, building my money up here. These are emails I personally created. Like, I didn't use no gram or something. I didn't use the system. These type of emails work for any system. These type of systems work for any system. These type of emails, the ones I wrote here. You could just, all you have to really do is just change some words up, but it's just kind of just saying how easy it is to make money this way. And then I got a picture of myself at the bottom there. That's about it, guys. Now you can pause at any moment. right? And just kind of copy my email if you want to. These are the emails that I send. And they seem to be working really well. My personal created emails. These weren't made for this system. These emails weren't made for this system at all. It's just that they work with my lead gen secrets for some reason. All right, you make sure you got the link here. Let me show you the link that you want to use here. You want to go to your page here. You want to go to your SAM card right here, and you get this system. You get this affiliate system once you sign into sign into it. Not a big deal. You get it. You get and these are your links here, your affiliate links, and you want to get this one right here, the all-in-one $25 business. That's a bunch of links over here, and you could use if you want to trick test, but that's the one I'm using personally. I'm using this. All right, guys, that's about it, guys, with the link there. Okay, so we're gonna send the email here. Boom, boom, boom. Everything done. Make sure you hit perfect timing. Perfect time does send the email around the time that people check their emails. That's all there is to it, guys, really. And we're real simple there, man. I make sure I say all the links are in the description. For $25 business, for my lead gen secrets, whatever it may be, right? And I also put the link in on my channel up there, so you can click on $25 business up there as well if you want to do it that way. Either way, the link it's very easy to get to the link, guys. And make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.